that there. I'll bring it out. I'll pick it up.
What's in there, Nico?
What are those?
Poopies. Is it? Is that what that is? Uh-huh. What is it, Nico? What is it? Mm-hmm.
Yogurt.
What is it? Yogurt. Climb back up in there. Get back in there. What is it, Nico? Is it? Wait, what is it?
Yogurt. Okay, I have one out for you already. Let's not open that one. Thank you.
Oh, yeah. What's in there, Nico? What's in there? What's in there? What do you see? Show Auntie Heather. What's in there?
What's that? Ketchup. Caramel. Butter. Butter. Caramel. Caramel.
See, he's just aching to learn how to cook.
Butter.
Butter. Yes.
Open. Butter. You don't put your finger in there though. Yucky.